This is an example of how to use regex in Sublime text. Let's say we have some name here, and we want to make something that is takes a lot of time, and let's say we want to put brackets on this one. We could do it in different way. In Sublime we can do something like this, and also, okay, we can do it in many ways, but we can also press Ctrl and H, and here you have find and replace. But how to find and replace all these things? Click here where you see there is this little asterisk here and with a point and this regular expression. So now Sublime knows that you want to do something with the regular expression, and let's put parentheses here, then a square parenthesis, and then you want to get all the because all these names got just letters, and we can leave also this one, but let's see, there is a capital letter somewhere. So we took also the capital letter, okay, from A to Z, and then we want to put here a plus. That means that can be long as it can be, and you see, as you can see, they are got this square around, and I want to put also a dollar sign here. And now here what I want to do with this word, what I want to replace with these apostrophes, double apostrophes, and then um, dollar sign and one and apostrophes two. Let's replace all. As you can see now, they got all these signs here, and so this is an example of how to make it with Sublime. We could have done something different like this and this, and it doesn't happen because we should change something here. We should put this thing here and this thing here. So now you see that something has changed because I got the apostrophes at the end and at the start, and now you see it works. So you see is this is how it works. You get all this sign to learn in regex, but for now, for this example, I think that's all we have to say.